Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I received a message from Matt Cameron saying, thank you Neil for sharing how to find and list dropship items on eBay. This has been working really well, but my question is, do you have a similar video showing how to list the same items on Amazon as well as eBay? Well Cameron, yes I do, however, it's time to create a new update video. So that's what this week's video is all about. Now, if you're not Matt and you're watching this video and you didn't see the previous week's video showing how to find hot selling dropship items and list them on eBay, I'll put a link to it at the end of this video. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay and Amazon for over 20 years and I'm the creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, dropship products that are already selling well on one marketplace like eBay will very often also sell well on Amazon and also, if you wish, Shopify and Facebook marketplaces as well. Of course, you may just choose to focus and sell on one marketplace only like eBay or Amazon, or you may choose to list the same proven dropship products on multiple marketplaces. It's purely up to you. Here's the good news though. The marketing or listing skills required to optimize listings are very similar for each marketplace. Listing items on eBay, Amazon, Facebook marketplaces, etc. uses most of the same optimization or marketing skills that you use to optimize listings on eBay. Of course, there's idiosyncrasies for each platform, but bullet points are bullet points, irrespective of the marketplace. A headline is a headline, irrespective of which platform that you're selling on. Relevant keywords are relevant keywords, again, irrespective of which platform that you're selling on. It's the same with the other point. And the other good news is over 95% of sellers don't fully optimize their listings. For Amazon, to list proven dropship items, we call it the rule of 6. That is, there are 6 main points to focus on to optimize an Amazon listing. First of all, the 80-character headline for your product. With eBay, eBay allows you a maximum of 80 characters for your headline. However, Amazon allows a maximum of 250 characters. However, we find around 80 relevant characters works best on Amazon as well as eBay. I'm not going to go deep into these 6 points as I did that in that previous week's video, but again, I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. This week's video is a summary of the 6 points. The second point is bullet points. Bullet points rock. With Amazon, always add a minimum of 5 bullet points to describe the features of your product. However, when selling anything on any marketplace, the more bullet points that you add, the more valuable that the item appears to be to the buyer. Make sure though, you keep the bullet points measurable and specific. Anything that's measurable and specific gives the listing credibility. For example, the item is made out of 316 stainless steel. Avoid wishy-washy bullet points like 100% satisfaction guarantee. What does that mean? Bullet points are for listing all the features and benefits of a product. Always do your best to convert features to benefits. A feature is what something is. A benefit is what something does. For example, let's say a cell phone or a mobile phone has a feature of 128 gigabytes of memory. The feature is 128 gigabytes of memory. The benefit of the 128 gigabytes of memory is that it holds over 1,000 photos. Humans buy benefits, not features. Number 3 of the 6 points to focus on when listing proven dropship items on Amazon is a paragraph of sales copy explaining what you're selling. We call this the short story. And this short story goes into the Amazon description section. Every product that you sell on any platform should have a short story. The product description, or short story as we call it, is your classic elevator pitch. You've just from the ground floor to the 10th floor of an elevator to explain exactly what this item is. This quick explanation should include the most life-changing, life-transforming benefits of how this item will improve the buyer's life. Now, if you're like me and spelling is not one of your strong points, use a program like Grammarly. It helps point out the spelling errors and incorrect punctuation. The story is very important and it's what sells the item. It doesn't need to be very long, 1 or 2 paragraphs can be enough. Features and benefits in this short story should again be measurable and specific, nothing wishy-washy. To quickly collect inspiration for this short story, have a look at your competitors' ad copy and also your supplier's ad copy. I regularly get asked if a short story can be too long. A story can never be too long, it can only be too boring. Number 4 is at least one photo of the product on a pure white background. But like bullet points, more is better. With eBay, the minimum image resolution is 500 pixels. But with Amazon, the minimum is 1001 pixels. Number 5 is weight and dimensions. Make sure you enter the correct weight and dimensions of the product. Number 6 is relevant keywords, so buyers can find your product. Never ever guess keywords. If you don't know how to do keyword research, make sure you check out this video up here, and I'll put a link below and at the end of the video and also below. A big point to note about these 6 marketing skills is that you can use exactly the same marketing strategies for dropshipping on eBay, Amazon, Facebook marketplaces, etc. And you can also use exactly the same marketing skills to sell anything or virtually anything online, from $10 items to items costing tens of thousands of dollars, including cars, boats, and even real estate. I've proved this over and over, where we've purchased cars, boats, tractors, etc. and sold them for substantially more than we paid for them, and for substantially more than market value, just by using exactly the same listing and marketing techniques that we've been using on our eBay and Amazon stores for the last 20 plus years. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.